Hi, good day. So, what I'll be sharing to you today is navigating the Maketrade Online Trading platform. So, first of all, this is the uh, online portal or of Maybank, ATR Kim and Maketrade, their online platform for trading in the stock market. So, they have the menu here: home, about us, uh, trade. Trade is the when you click the trade, if you have an account in Maketrade, you can open their online platform for trading. Their products and services, the how-to coaching session. This is for their trainings. If you click I click this one, and there you go. So they have the scheduled trainings for the month. So for June 26, they have the beginner session, introduction to investing in the stock market. Just click book now if you want to reserve a seat, and they also include the location of the training in there. For example, this one for June 30 for the technical analysis. And okay, so, and they have the inside story as well. If you have an account in Maketrade, you can access that their market research for specific stocks or their outlook for the PSE for the local market. And okay, but our focus for today is about the online platform of Maketrade. So this is how it looks like. So here, this is what they call the code screen or the main screen, and they have a logo here. That's the logo for if your platform is online, and if the color is something pale or black grayish, so that means that uh, your online platform is offline. And if it's yellow, I think it's your platform is on standby. Anyway, so I will share to you the best information that I could provide. This is not an official Make Trade presentation, but uh, what I'm going to share to you is navigating the Make Trade online trading platform. So this is how your Make Trade online trading platform looks like. Basically, you have your list of navigation menu on the upper portion of the screen. So this is the navigation menu that you have. So you have watch list, stock info, chart, buy button, sell button, new market news, uh, market summary, order book, your portfolio, and the exchange, the PSE equities, and the foreign flows. Foreign flow is one of the very helpful display which you can easily check the foreign funds inflow and outflow of the specific stock in a specific period of time. So later I'll give you snippets of it how you can easily navigate the inflows or outflows of specific of on the specific stock. Okay, on the second level here, this is of the screen. This is what I call the market snapshot. What happened in the stock market during the day, how many points the stock market went up or went down, the total volume transaction and the total value turnover here, and this is the volume. If you notice, it changes every now and then because we are online and the market has already opened. So far, we have 38 stocks that went up, 65 stocks that went down, 32 were unchanged. Okay, and this is the current PSEI. We are now at 7,593, which is it went down for negative 49.60 or 0.65%. The next window here that you saw is what I call the main display window. The first, what you can see is the code screen here. So you have the list of stocks here. Above the main display screen, there are four navigational menu ready for you to use based on your needs. Like here, if you want to display all the stocks, or if you want only to display new listing. Here, so far, we don't have a new listing in the BSE. And next, if you want to check only on the financial sectors, so okay, there you go. And if you want to sort it by volume for today, so you just click the volume. It will display the in descending order, I believe, here. And you can also display here the odd lot or off market, normal board lot. So the common display is in the normal board lot. So, and you can also search your desired stock. For example, if you want to search for uh, URC or Universal Rubina, so just press enter, then it displays URC here. And And if you want to add a certain stock on the watch list, you just click this button here. Yeah, add to watch list. And so far, I have only one watch list uh, on my watch list, so I name it watch list 00. So once you click add button, it will be added on it. On this scenario, the stock URC already exists on the watch list 00. So okay. So above the main display are the four navigational menu ready for you to use based on your needs. So these are the other menus. So we have all stock, IPO. Under all stock is we have IPO new listing, main, and under main you have financials, holding firms, industrial, mining and oil, property, SME services, and exchange traded fund. So once you click on a specific sector, the stocks will be displayed on the main code screen is are the stocks that are only categorized on that sector, index sector. Like for example, financials or holding firms. So example, we click on the financials. So I expect that most are displayed here are banks. So there you go. So and we have the PSEI there, and what will be displayed here are mostly the the composition of all the stocks that compose on the PSEI or Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So next is we have a sub-menu on the PSEI. Just click on it. Display the stocks compromise of the market index. So again, as I shared to you on the sort by volume, so you can sort all the stocks based on. So a while ago, what we did is we click on the PSEI. So these are uh, the stocks that were listed or included on the PSE index. And if we sort it by volume, so it will display here in the descending order based on the volume. And if we uh, sort it by gainers, so it will display also by gains. So far, these are our gainers. We have URC, JGS, RLC, Simirara, Emperador, and yeah, okay, and so on and so forth. And you can also click for board lot. So basically, what is displayed there is the normal board lot. So if you click on odd lot, so it will display also corresponding information about its odd lot. And lastly you have the search text box here where you can search your desired stock and start to navigate from there. So for example, we type EDC, Energy Development Corp. So it will display EDC here. So energy development. And once you click that one, you can navigate the stocks that you want. So if you notice here, the buy and ask window displays the EDC, and together with the transactional window here, so it already display. For example, if you click EEI, so it displays also EEI here. So on our selection, we select EDC, and from there we can navigate from their in-depth stock information, monitor the stock, and etc. So I'll share to you later what do I mean. So as on our example, we search for EDC. So we double click EDC stock code, and below the main screen display the real time bid or the buyers and the ask or the sellers for EDC stock, in which on the left side this is the bid side, and on the right side is the ask. And together in the bid side we have the volume quantity and the number who bid for it, and together with its corresponding, so as quantity we have 35, and the, the number who ask or the number of sellers is only one. So the next window, you once you click this stock, so this is what I mentioned, this is the next window. This is what we call the transactional window or transaction window. It will display the buy or sell option. If you want to buy, the color here turns pastel green. And if you choose an option to sell, then it turns into red. Then you can pick what price that you want, or you can just type it, something like that. The units is the number of shares that you want. And here this is a default, so you don't have to change this one. The trading limit is the amount of funds that were or what we call your buying power. So this is it, this is what it will display, how much buying power that you left for you. And here you can set the currency. So far here we only have in peso. So yeah, again, unit is the number of shares. Then the validity, if you want to pick good for closing or good for the day. And you can also skip for confirmation, and you can type your trading pin for additional security purposes. At let's say sometimes you you mistakenly click here in a certain manner that you didn't know, or you click something stupid enough, so at least you have a second confirmation that you have to input your trading pin. Okay, so far what I shared to you, it's pretty much easy, right? That And for me, the navigation is so quick and easy. I can navigate at ease. So maybe at first you get intimidated on the look and feel of Maketrade, but Maketrade platform. But honestly, once you are familiar with the menus, everything is already displayed on your end as an investor or trader. So you just click a certain stock, then everything is displayed to you on the basic information that you need. So I'm sharing with you this video to show how easy Maketrade online trading platform to navigate. So, and according to Maketrade, their trading platform is faster compared to other online trading platform in the country because our system is connected directly to the PSE trading system. Unlike the other online trading platform, it connects first to a third-party system, then the third-party system connects to the PSE system. We may not notice it, the time delay from the other trading platform, simply because the link between the third party and the other trading platform is quite fast. The time delay may be around a second or 2 seconds. So you can test it from your end if you have two online trading account, if you have Maketrade, another online trading platform, and observe the difference. Also, the transaction window, there's a tick box there, skip confirmation here. Once you check your transaction, basically the skip it basically it skip the PSE main trading platform, confirm and posted immediately to the trading board. but make sure you input your trading pin and save it. So, okay, just a quick summary about the transaction window. So this window is pretty much easy and easy to navigate or use. So for the action, you have buy and sell. For the action number, we don't no need to change this one. It will automatically change for you once you pick a stock. And let's, for example, let me demonstrate it. So what I'm doing here is I'm at EEI. So you notice it automatically changed there. It already filled up. So I think this is your account number. And trading limit, this is your buying power. And the price, so you can change this manually if you want. So 10, 12, or 11, it depends on you. The price, yes, and the next of price is the units. Units is the number of shares that you are going to buy, and the limit. So far this is the only option that you can pick. Validity is the menu where you pick if you want your transaction to be posted only on the good for the day, or good until close, or good until cancelled. So you have an option here. Minimum quantity, I didn't usually use this one. The skip confirmation is pretty much uh, useful for those who are into quick trading or day trading. So once you check this skip confirmation, all unnecessary confirmation that will be posted on your end will be disregarded. And just input your trading pin, check this one, enable it, then click the transaction that you want. Okay, now we are on the main, the most exciting part here, that as what I shared to you a while ago, that uh, once you click a certain stock, for example, we pick for EDC, the bid and the ask already displayed here. But what is most interesting is the way we can navigate this and the stock information. So once you already created your first watch list, for example here, and I have watch list, so these are the stocks that I put in my watch list 00. From here, the same functionality with the online for other trading platforms, they also have watch list. But once you click here and go for stock information, it will display most of the information that you need for a specific stock. But anyway, before we go into this into the detail of this stock information or the quick navigation of a certain stock, let's navigate first the main menu. So here, so we have watch list here. So under watch list you have view watch list. These are the watch lists that you created. Create watch list if you want to create another watch list. Rename a watch list here if you want to rename it. And you can also delete a watch list. Okay, once you already created your first watch list, go to the watch list, then view watch list here. So what we created earlier, I already created a while ago, watch list 00, and that is what is displayed here. In my example, as I created a watch list named watchlist 00, which comprised of PCOR, URC, EDC, and Ayala Corp, let us add one stock in our watch list. So we can go here, search for a stock, let's say RLC or SM. Sorry, let's go for the main code screen, then type SM. It will display here. Then just click the green button on the left side. Then pick where you want to put it on a watch list. Then click add. It will be added. Then we go to the watch list 00. There SM is already there. And if you want to remove a certain stock on your watch list, just click the left portion, the negative one, then yes. Okay. Now let's go to the stock information, the menu that I shared to you a while ago. So here I pick EDC, then let's go for stock information, or let's say let's pick URC, as this is the market, the top gainer a while ago that when we navigate. So let's go for URC. So again, this is the list of bidders and list of sellers. And let's go for stock info. In the stock info, pretty much all of the information that you need are already here. The lot size is what we call the board size. The minimum number of shares that you can buy for this stock. Then what's its current price right now? It's already 196.80, a point 8. It gained 1.97%, and the total buy volume for today as of 10:36, total sell volume is 303,000, and total buy transaction, there are 469 transactions, and there are total of 322 sellers. Its highest price is 289, and its lowest price is 96.5. Okay, and this is the graph for a I think this is, let's navigate for, let's say for a month. So this is the graph for the month, then for 3 months, 6 months, and 2 years. The stock info window is pretty much all I need basically to check on the stock corresponding its performance and traded volume. Again, this is the basic information that you need to check. However, if you look for an in-depth information of stock, Maketrade offers a traders like look and feel, which is cool. Just click on the stock info and select a stock tracker. So stock info, then let's go for stock tracker. So pretty much all of the information that we need uh, on the detailed information on the buyers and sellers. So on this side is the time and sale. So the number of sales during the day when the market opens. So 10:15, the wait, we are at SM. Let's go for URC. So there you go. So for URC, when the market started at when the bidder started posting their buy, so 10:27, it started at 196, then with a volume 510, and it goes up. Then on this area, this is the total volume for that price transacted at 10:38.51. This is the buyer teams, and this is the seller Macquarie. So it changes a lot because we are on a real-time platform. So this is its intraday chart with the corresponding volume, and the same here for the number of bids and number of sellers. Bids is equivalent for the buyers. And what we saw here in the middle is also the market news when the market started to open. And one thing to add, this S stands for sell, and here B stands for buyers. Okay, then let's navigate also for the depth metrics. So the depth metrics is basically the same functionality as the six pack shared by the other online platform. So if you are familiar with Call Financial, then this is how it looks as well. So this is the equivalent six pack for Maketrade, and actually in Call Financial they call it six pack, and Maketrade they call it depth matrix matrix. So you can type here the stock that you want to monitor: San Miguel, SM, preferred shares. So for example, you just type EDC, or uh, there it will display. And what more? So let's say we type here Ayala. So just pick Ayala. So the same, and for the chart, and by the way, if you click a certain portion of stock here, the transactional window is automatically updates. For example, in San Miguel, we click this one. So if you notice, it changes its color, and you notice here it changes as well. And if you want to buy a share for San Miguel, just click buy, then there you go. It's much faster. And if you want to check for the buyers and seller, then just click there, SMC. Then you can also monitor it. Then wait for a specific price that you want to buy or you want to sell. And you also have this button here, the buy and the sell. So if you click that one, it will this will be updated. And if you click this one, there you go. It's already it updates as well. So what you need to do is you have to pick a stock, then just go buy. But the easiest way is, and the faster way is, just click anywhere that you want to. I mean, just pick the stock, click on it, double click on it, then this window here will be updated. So let's go to the code screen. For example, we want to buy Splash Corp, SPH. Then you notice this is updated as well. And let's say, for example, we change our mind that we are going to buy TKC Steel. There, it already updated. And if you want to go to the watch list that you have, just go in here, then you will be directed to your desired watch list or the window that you previously opened. Go for URC. This is what we previously opened a while ago, and it will update here. There you go. And together with the depth metrics, even if you are here, you just click it, then it will be updated. And here the market news. So you have here, this is the market news. For the market summary, just click what you wanted to be displayed. So this is for the local market indices. For example, financial. So you can click on it. Properties. And this side here is the what we call the intraday chart. And let's say if you go to summary, the market summary, so it will be displayed here. This is the index. So far we have 42 already advances and 40 unchanged, and we have 86 decline. And the order book, this is the order status. When you click that one, it will display your orders for the day. And portfolio, if you click equity, so it will display your portfolio. And this is the one that I showed a while ago. For this is the in this stocks under this PSE equities. And this is the most interesting part that I wanted to share to you. So let's, for example, let's pick uh, URC. Since URC is our example a while ago, then let's pick it. So URC, we already pick it, then click the foreign flows. Make sure that what is displayed here is the one that you wanted to be displayed. So, for example, we want to check the foreign flows of URC from June 1 to June 25. So June 1 to June 25, then let's pick for uh, daily transaction, then just click update. Then these are the information that were transacted, foreign flows transacted transaction during June 1 up to June 2024. Okay, so at least from here you can already have an input the who dominates if the foreign funds is uh, withdrawing mostly during that month or buying during that month. So again, this is pretty much that I can share for you for Maketrade. This platform for first timer, it's quite intimidating, but once you already familiarize how to navigate it, trust me, this is a very easy tool to use. And and make trade application or services is quite amazing also, and they have a good service. So if I'm going to share with you their services, actually I already shared to you a while ago, uh, the coaching session, so they offered it again, and insight story. So on the market insights, they have a lot of items there that you can pick. So you can choose for all reports, market insights, daily edge. So what I clicked a while ago is a market portfolio weekly. So this is provided in a weekly basis. All reports is a consolidation of all these reports, market insight, uh, daily edge, market color. Daily edge is provided in a daily basis together with market insight, Philippine market color, and market strategy. So I think these two here are, yeah, from the word weekly, so they are provided on a weekly basis. So this is how it looks for the week make trade model portfolio weekly. So they share their methodology, and this is their market portfolio for the week. They have the weight, the potential upside, year-to-date return percentage, and the details of that is reflected here. And yeah, pretty much information about their uh, stock picks for the week or their favorites for the week. And this is the daily edge. So this is where the information of the stock. So you have the buy recommendation, you have the in-depth information research or news of that stock for the energy Picor offer on budget, the power, so with the PSAM, so their recommendation is buy. And this is the detailed research about the, I think this is for GT Cap, yeah, GT Capital. So they have their in-depth analysis for the GT Capital, what's new, what's their view, the implementation in 2016, and the figures, earn net profit, EPS, and car sales. This is another news related to GT Cap, and the statistics based on the volume of cars, because I think this news is related to to the projected earnings of GT Cap in the next months or up to next year, which they projected a good profit for GT Capital, which is related for Toyota vehicles. And this one is a market insight. So this is provided daily. So what's their views on the Philippine market and the Asian market and the other stock news and uh, market calendar for June. So it's already shared here. So I hope you enjoyed what I shared to you about Maketrade online platform. So again, this is not an official Maketrade presentation. So I'm sharing to you this to share to you an option that there's also one online platform stock market stock brokerage platform online platform that you can go into, that you have an option that provide a good service and a good company where you can start uh, develop your stock market skill, since Make Trade have a coaching session as well, and and where you can add into your research, because Make Trade research are good, and use their online platform for your trading. And again, uh, all the information that you need, how to open an account, just click here, then or contact anyone from Make Trade how you can open your account. Or maybe you can drop me a message from Facebook, or just email me or message me. So I'm pretty much happy to refer you to someone from Make Trade to help you with your in your journey into the stock market. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I hope you earned a lot and you start investing in the stock market. The Philippine market is a good market where you can park your money for 3 to 5 years or for long term. And I believe that the stock market is a good venue where you can beat inflation and grow your money for your retirement, for your vacation, or for your dreams as a Filipino. So thank you again for joining me. We are joining me, and I'm happy and hope to see you in the see you around in any stock market forums or uh, one of Matrix training. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.